in this video I'm going to show you how to play the A minor scales beginning from the A string in first position on the violin. In this tutorial I will cover 3 minor scales: natural, melodic minor and harmonic minor. Thanks for joining me here today. If you're a regular, welcome on back. If you are new here, I would love if you would hit the subscribe button down below. If you've already watched the part 1 of this video, you'll know how to play the A minor scales beginning from the first finger on the G string, so the lower of our 2 octaves. Today we're going to learn the upper octave of those scales. We've got our 3 minor scales: natural, melodic and harmonic. A melodic minor, a harmonic minor, from our open A string we have A, B natural, C natural, D natural and E natural. So we have a low hand shape on our A string. Our natural minor continues on with F natural, G natural and A natural. So from a low 1 position we have an open hand shape. So we have to make sure that we pull our first finger back and the 2 and the 3 come back a semitone as well to match that, and then stretching the 4 back to go back to our normal 4th finger E going down. 1, 2, sorry, starts with open A, 1, low 2, 3, 4, low 1, space to 2, space to 3, or tone, tone. Back down, leave the 1 there, stretch out your 4, 3, and bring the 1 back up on the A string, 2, 1, and open A. If you're continuing with the lower octave to make a 2 octave scale, I always encourage my students to use 4th finger instead of the open strings. For our melodic minor, the beginning will be the same. It's the 6th and the 7th notes that will change, be raised in the melodic minor. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they don't change. 6 goes up a semitone, so now we've got our first finger just slips across for a normal first finger F sharp, a tone to our G sharp and a semitone to our A. So when we go back down we need to lower back to G natural and F natural, and this is the position we had for the natural minor scale. So melodic minor, O, 1, low 2, 3, 4, normal 1, tone to 2, semitone to 3, lift the 2 to prepare and put it right next to the 1, and you've got your G natural. While you're playing your 2, lift the 1 and pull it back to a low 1, F natural, stretching out your 4, 3, bringing the 1 back up, low 2 and 1. Now for our harmonic minor scale, again we're going to leave the 6th note, which is our F natural, and we're going to raise the 7th and play the A. So O, 1, low 2, 3, 4, low 1 on the E and a stretch, big stretch to the G sharp and a semitone, and we return down the same way. Again, stretch that 4 out onto the A string, 3, bring the 1 back up, low 2 and 1. So the E string for the harmonic minor, we have a big stretch between, it's like an M shape, so 2 and 3 are together, but we've got an extended back 1, so instead of the normal first finger we've got the low first finger like this. So joining together the part 1 and part 2, we get a 2 octave scale, A natural minor scale. Melodic minor scale. Minor scale. hope that was really helpful for you to learn your A minor scales. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe down below. I would really, really appreciate it. And also leave me a comment. Let me know what other tutorials I can make to help you out.